Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can sleep and rest in Crimson Desert. So first things first, if you've got to a point in the evening where it's turning dark and your character could do with some rest, what you're going to want to do is try and find a bed out in the open world. So for example, I can see a couple here, and then all you need to do is come over to them, hold down E on your keyboard to get into bed, and then you're going to be given several different options. If you want, you can take a short rest here for 3 hours, 6 hours, or 12 hours, which you can see at the bottom right. In my case, I want to have a full rest, so I'm going to go ahead and press 12 hours. And there we go, it is now the next day, and I have rested enough. You can see there at the top left, it says you can sleep again after some time has passed and fatigue builds up again. And all I need to do in order to get out of the bed is just press escape, and I am now well rested. So that is it for that quick tutorial. Really hope it helped. Please do leave a like and subscribe. It really does help grow the channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks very much for watching.